Want to make sure you never miss your favorite shows? Today, I'll show you the updated 2026 method to record shows on YouTube TV using your Roku device. Step 1. From your Roku home screen, navigate to the YouTube TV app and select it to launch. Next, go to the search icon. Type in the name of the show you want to save and select it from the results to open the show page. Step 3. Click the plus add button. This adds the show to your library and automatically schedules recordings for all future episodes. You'll see a confirmation. You can choose to record just a single episode or, as recommended, record all upcoming episodes. To watch your shows, just head over to your library, then Scheduled and Recorded to see everything you've saved. If you run into issues, check your DVR storage limits or try using the Roku mobile app as a virtual remote if yours isn't responding. Pro tip: with YouTube TV's DVR, you can skip commercials and even record multiple shows at the exact same time. That's it. Your shows are now set to record. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Roku and YouTube TV tips. See you next time.